Hello student, today again I will explain another video of class 9 science chapter number 4, that is structure of atom chemistry portion, right? Before I start explaining this video, please take out your notebook, pen, pencil to copy down the important portion as well as to draw the important diagram. Please see in this board, okay, that is structure of atom. Structure of atom. This is the chapter number 4, class 9 science. Right. Look here. We all know that what is atom? Atom is the smallest particles of an element. Right, we already know that atom is the smallest particle of an element. Right, and we also know that what? All the metals are made up of atoms. Right. We also know that in chapter number 3, all the metals are made up of atoms. Right. Now look here. In this video, we are going to study about the atom. Right. And one of the scientists, he told that what? Atoms cannot further divided into smaller part, right? But in this video I will tell about atom can divide it into 3 parts, right? Okay, atom can be made up of the 3 parts or divided into 3 parts, that is proton, electron and neutron. Okay, now you all know, right, atom is made up of elements. Okay, the atom is smallest particles of an elements. All metals are made up of atoms. Okay. Now, subatomic particles. Subatomic particles. What are the subatomic particles? The first one, subatomic particle, will start from electron. The second one, proton, and the third one is the neutron. That means atom is made up of these 3 particles. What are they? Electron, proton and the neutron. Okay, these 3 are known as the subatomic particles of an atom. Right. The first one we are going to study about the electron. Okay, it is discovered by what? It is discovered by J.J. Thomson, okay, in 1897. Okay, he performed an experiment, okay, in his cathode ray experiment. Then J.J. Thomson, okay, performed one experiment, and this experiment is known as the cathode ray experiment. Okay, in his experiment, okay, he used to take one tube, okay, one glass tube. This is the one glass tube. This is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal, right? and in this glass tube he remove all the gas particle with the help of the vacuum pump. He removed all the gas particle with the help of the vacuum pump. Okay, and this part he put one of the electrode, and this electrode is known as the cathode. This is known as the cathode. That is the negative electrode. Right? Cathode means the negative electrode, and this is known as the anode. Anode. That is known as the positive electrode. Cathode means negative electrode, and the anode means negative electrode. Cathode means negative electrode, and anode means positive electrode. Right? After passing the electric current, some particles they start moving from this side. Okay, towards the anode. After passing the electric current, he observed that some particles, some particles are moved towards the anode. Okay, towards the anode, and this particle he called that this is known as the electron. Okay, this particle he called that this is known as the electron. Okay, and this electron is what? And from this experiment he proved that this electron is the negative charge particles. Okay, electron is a negative charge particle. Okay, which is present inside the atom. The particles, negative charge particle present inside the atom. That is, from this experiment he proved that this is the some particles are comes out from this electrode. That is this particle is known as the negative electron. Okay, that is the negative charge particle. Okay, let's copy down this one and do this one. So that, okay. Now next we are going to study about the proton. Then we all know that this electron they possess the negative charge, right? Okay, and next we are going to study about the proton. Number 2, proton. It is discovered by the E. Goldstein. Okay, in his experiment. What experiment? Alpha particles. Okay, alpha particles experiment. Okay, in this alpha particle experiment, right? Now, in same thing like this, what J.J. Thomson, E. Goldstein also performed the experiment same as the what J.J. Thomson. Okay, he also used to make the tube. Okay, the discharge tube. Okay, the discharge tube, and after passing this alpha particle, then from the anode, some of the particles are comes out and to move towards the cathode. Okay, and he told that this beams of the light is known as the proton. Okay, Now, no need to explain for this one. And this proton is defined as the positive charge particles, okay, particles of an atom present inside the atom. Okay. Now the proton is the positive charge particles. Okay. Now last one. Okay, that is the neutron. Neutron, it is discovered by Chadwick. Okay, it is discovered by Chadwick. Okay, and this neutron is the non-charged particles present inside the atom. Okay, these are the three subatomic particles of the atom. Okay, what are they? The first one is the electron, the second one is the proton, the third one is the neutron. Okay, the electron possesses the negative charge, proton possesses the positive charge. Right? Let's copy down this one. Done. Okay, and this is the first video. Okay, if you have any doubt or any confusion, please send one message to the WhatsApp group. I will clear your doubt. Okay, but in this portion you need to remember that what are the three subatomic particles? They are proton, electron and the neutron. Right? Proton possesses positive charge, electron possesses the negative charge, and the neutron does not possess any charge. Right? These are the three subatomic particles of an atom. Right? And the next period, in the next class, I will explain the further about this. What about this one? Protons and the electrons and the neutrons. Okay? What are their contributions in the atoms? Okay? And please watch this video till end. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.